ASAP Premium is the best way to supplement your in-person training experience with ASAP because it offers those deep discounts before you attend. It offers training to support you prior to attending, and then post-event, there's exclusive workshops for ASAP Premium members. It's elevated, it's a deep dive, and it really can support you throughout the year. I am so excited about the launch of ASAP Premium because it is a content-based membership where they can really get in there, they can build their training program. I work with so many admins and EAs that are looking for training opportunities that are not always exam-based certifications, or they are already PACE certified. So they are looking for high-level quality content in between our training events that can help support their certification with earning CEUs and then their overall professional development. ASAP Premium is the newest membership option, and in my opinion, the best option, simply because you get a ton of training opportunities, gives you deeper discounts to events, it gives you all access to the on-demand web content we offer, and then it offers perks throughout the year, whether it's through Admin Month or added perks, VIP access to our training events as well. The beauty of the ASAP Premium Pass is that it gives all access to the on-demand courses that we offer. The courses are in-depth, deep dive, virtual opportunities to get trained on specific topics. You can go at your own pace, your own learning style, but then you can refer back to it. You can rewind it, you can pause it, and you can just really get a solid understanding of what you are learning about, and then you get a certificate at the end as well. ASAP Premium helps solve a lot of problems when it comes to training for admins because they can customize it. We're not here to say, this is the training you need, this is the training we want you to have. We want to meet you where you're at. However you learn best is where we want to support you, and ASAP Premium does that. It is really affordable content that you can access throughout the whole year. It really sets up your professional development plan. I always say, look at your performance plan with your organization and then look to ASAP and the Premium Pass of how we can support it. Build that plan, and then you're off and running. Book a call with myself and my team so we can talk about some training options that are custom to you.